finding the square root by long division method. Okay, ready? So I want someone to give me the number so that we can find the square root of that by long division method.
1225.
722500.
Okay, first is 1225. The second one is 722500. Anything else?
Yes, sir. 286 225.
286.
225.
Fourth one 9801. Okay, Pachi.
3600.
Okay. Any more?
6400.
8100.
8100. Any more?
6400.
6400. 8 and 9, can I write?
Yes,
655360. क्या बोल रहे हो?
1
हम्म
1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 5.
पांचों
4
बोलो
times
कितने?
1, 4 times 1,
हम्म
5 times 2, and 1 5.
1 time 5.
Yes. 1 2 3 4. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Let us start with the last sum. Okay, are you all ready? The ninth one, it is a bigger number.
yes, sir.
So what we are supposed to do, you have to form the arrangement 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 5. From the right side we take a pair. Okay, now we put down into division. One, 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 two, 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 5. Okay. Okay, so let us see. First of all, we know that you should know the squares from 1 to what you should know 1 to 9 you should know clearly. So 11 comes between 3 3s are 9. When you subtract it, you get 2. And you plus over here 3, so you get 6. Here you get 11. So you have to check whether 61 ones are, 62 twos are, 63 threes are, 64 fours are. 61 ones are 61, 62 twos are 126, 63 threes are 189, 64 fours are 256. So this number we can calculate over here. So 63 threes are 189. Here you have to add 3, so it becomes 66. Here you have to subtract, so it becomes 22. This 22 comes down. Now you have to again check 6 and what number should be there. So you have to see that 661 ones are, 662 twos are, 663 threes are, 664 fours are. Which will come? Please tell me. Out of this 4, which will come? This or this over here. Can you please calculate and tell me what will come? Here 3 3s are 1 9 8 9. Here it becomes 666. When you subtract it, what answer you get? What answer you get? You get 2 3 3. When you take this down as a pair, it becomes exactly 22. So what number shall be multiplied over here? What number shall be taken so that we can keep over here? 1 9. What is the answer, Yog? Be taken, right? 3. So we take over here 3 3 1 9 9 8 9. When you subtract this, you get 3 3 3 3, and this comes down 25, and you add 3 over here, you get 6 6 6 6. Now obviously the last digit is cell, so we can take 5. We can take 5, but you have to solve it. I don't have space over here. You have to solve it. This bigger number can be solved by a long division method in this method. Okay.
Yes,
Kindly
sir,
note
it is
it.
coming by 5.
33 5. So it is 33,335 square, whichever Stuti gave the number. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now let us see a number which was given to us previously. First was 1225. So how to solve the first one? 1225. Make a pair. Form like this. Again a pair. 3 3s are 9. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here you subtract, you get 3. 25. 65 5s are 325. Here you add, you get 70. So we can write down the square root of 1225 is equal to 35. Clear? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Please note it down. Okay, the second one, the question was 722,500. So what we'll do, 722,500. Make a pair. Okay, now 72 comes between 8 square and 9 square. So it becomes 8 8s are 64. 8 plus 8 becomes 16. Here you subtract, you get 8 25. Obviously 5 is there, so we can try over here. Just a moment. Obviously 161. 1s are 162, 2s are 163, 3s are 164, 4s are 165, 5s are
165 Faiza
165.
is the correct.
So we can take over here 165 5s are. So that is 825. Here you add 5, it becomes 165. Here you subtract, you get 0, 0, 0, 0. So here it will be 0. Two zeros has got the value 1.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
taking addition. Sir, it is 170. You have written 165.
170 है क्या योग हो जाती है कभी कभी. Okay, so let us start with the third question. Are you all ready? You are solving the sum, or you are just looking at the video that I am solving?
Solving.
See, I trust you, okay? That you people are solving.
Okay.
You need to send me the work. These 9 sums you have to send me today with the method, okay? Okay, now we got a time. If you send it after 11 o'clock, you have to show me 3 times. If you send me directly after the class on WhatsApp, you have to send me only 1 time. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Agree to it?
Sir, question left. Question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down this if you want to note down this. Note down the questions if you want to note down the question. I give you 2 minutes. Quick.